Hey everybody, Bruno Rizzuto, CEO of Stream Systems, standing outside of our offices in downtown Calgary, where I can tell you that because of COVID-19, the streets are relatively quiet, but the tech community is growing and thriving, and we're super excited to be a part of it. Stream was founded by my good friend and business partner, Dmitry Chernolev, back in 2014. I ended up joining Dmitry about a year later because I was part of two other startups, one in the talent acquisition industry and the other in the clean tech space. Both of those companies continue to grow, and I am a part of them today as well. Over the last 5 years, we've built a product called SimOPTI, which is a simulation and an optimization tool for complex industrial assets. Never easy trying to explain what a complex industrial asset is. But what I can tell you, here's what we're trying to do for our users. We're trying to build a visualization of the business value chain that allows them to game their asset through experimentation in a risk-free environment. By allowing them to crunch huge amounts of data in real time to deal with disruptions, unplanned events, or market variability, they can start to experiment with their asset to understand if they become more profitable, more efficient, or more environmentally friendly. And by doing this, you can't sacrifice the long-term goals of the organization. So SimOPTI is a tool and a game of penalties and rewards, because the money I can make today may not be the same money I can make tomorrow. Depends on the circumstance. And you can't sacrifice the long-term viability of the asset. That's the game. So our customers and users can ask themselves, can I be more environmentally friendly today? Can I make more money? Can I be more efficient? And they can do that in real time in that risk-free environment and get a distribution of answers with risk sensitivities attached to it before they make those decisions. This is why we actually opened up our office in Montreal, to take some of that game technology and integrate it into the SimOPTI platform. It allows us to connect into an ecosystem that's very good in AI and ML, specifically around gaming, and marry it with our components in AI, ML, and reinforced learning. Over the last 5 years, we've been part of the tech community here in Calgary. We've been part of the GE Innovation Center for 2 years, and last fall, we graduated from the IBM Accelerator program. We also built an engine that can be flexible. And the reason we built an engine that can be flexible is as we were building SimOPTI, we realized the oil and gas supply chain is no different than any other industrial complex asset. From the wellhead to the gas pump, you have rail, you have trucking, you have piping, you have marine. Very similar to other industrial supply chain assets. So we started experimenting in other industries: mining, the airline industry, the agricultural industry, and the renewable power space. And we had success in all those use cases. So we continued to build an engine that was flexible to allow us to go into other industries. Although today our focus is oil and gas and mining, as we started a major commercialization cycle of our oil and gas product through the consortium we're leading with Scale AI for a release this September. Our near-term goal over the next 12 months is to have recurring revenue of about $1 million. Although we just started that journey, we have a very strong ecosystem in the oil and gas network and mining industries as well. So going forward, we hope to collaborate with other companies who are working in other industries and might be able to build on our engine. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Dmitry. We always love talking about SimOPTI. Thanks so much.